The altcoin season is on a rally with Bitcoin's dominance down to 42%. In today's video, we are going to share two altcoins which I feel would give us great returns in May and June. One of them is Ethereum Classic and the other one is a hidden gem. So stay tuned to today's video and find out what is that hidden gem and what are our price predictions for Ethereum Classic and that hidden gem.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss more about cryptocurrencies or you have any doubt, head over to Telegram and join us at Crypto Bulls Club. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you want to know about exclusive airdrops, then you definitely want to join our announcement channel as well. The link for that is also in the description below. If you like to read more about cryptocurrencies, make sure you visit our website cryptobullsclub.com, wherein we post interesting articles. And if you'd like an expert opinion on your portfolio or any particular coin that you have, you can book a one-on-one session with our experts by clicking on the Book a Crypto Consulting Session button on our website. This will be a paid service. Now, let's move on to today's video. So today we are going to talk about two altcoins. But before that, I would just like to highlight a couple of things which are important here. So one of the things is basically the dominance in Ethereum and how that can actually lead to an increase in XRP prices as well. Okay, so what we need to do is we'll take a quick look at the Ethereum dominance back from 2017 and the others dominance, and we'll see how XRP actually follows Ethereum. So back here in 2017, as we can see, we got really close. The others dominance was 8.06% and Ethereum's dominance was around 5%. Now what happened after that was Ethereum went on a rally, it crossed over the others and we got the all-time high as far as the Ethereum dominance is concerned, wherein Ethereum reached almost 31.17%. Now what happened between this is XRP actually rallied and also crossed the others market cap. Now XRP started rallying when Ethereum actually crossed over the others. So currently we are very close. The others market cap is around 20% and Ethereum is at around 15%. So what I feel is the next couple of months are gonna be very important, right? And after we see Ethereum cross over the others market dominance, XRP might be the next one to follow. Now let's jump onto the charts about Ethereum Classic. So we are on the Ethereum Classic USD chart. If you have been trading in crypto for the last few years, you would be knowing that Ethereum Classic has been there for some time. But it is recently that Ethereum Classic has gained a lot of traction as well as a lot of gains in the prices as well. Like for example, it gained all the way from this range all the way up to 176, giving a returns of more than 580% in just a period of 13 days. Now, why I have chosen Ethereum Classic is for a couple of reasons. Okay, if you would have seen our video on how to choose the perfect altcoin, you have seen that we consider three factors, right? And if you haven't seen that video yet, you can click the eye icon above my head and you can watch that video right away. Now, one of the factors that we considered was a correction after a rise. So Ethereum Classic actually has got that correction. So for example, in the first phase, we went up almost to $49 or $50, to be precise $49.9, and from there we corrected all the way to $25. So it was a correction of approximately 50%. Now after that we consolidated and we respected this market structure and we went on a parabolic rise where we reached the highs of $176. Now after that what happened was we got another correction from $176 all the way down to $91. Now this was again a correction of 50% and this is a very healthy chart pattern. Now one of the things that we should notice here is that after getting this correction as well, we actually treated and respected the market structure. That's very, very important. Now, one of the other reasons that I have chosen, and I feel that Ethereum Classic might be just gearing up for the next parabolic move, is basically we are seeing a bull flag getting formed on the daily Ethereum Classic chart. So if you have been following our channel, we like bull flags very much. We understand that they are actually a very bullish pattern. Now, as you can see, we are forming a bull flag on the daily chart. Now, what is our price target? Let's first draw the pole of the flag. So the pole of the flag would be till here, and let's suppose that we break out from this level in a couple of days time. So let's just extend it, and let's just say we break it out on the 13th of May. Our price target for Ethereum Classic would be $234. Now, this is not something that will happen at one go. You would be seeing this parabolic rise wherein Ethereum Classic just went on from close to $34 all the way up to $180 at one go. But this move might not be at one go. Now, what are the reasons for that? Now, we'll need to identify the critical support and the resistance levels. For that, what we need to do is we'll draw the Fib retracement. So let's draw the Fib retracement quickly, and let's understand what are the key support and key resistance areas. So the first resistance area that we had was the area of $108, which we have crossed. So currently we are trading at around $112.8. So we are above this resistance zone. Now the important thing is we need to close this candle above 108. That's the first criteria. Then the next resistance will be at $123, okay, and then it would be at 133 and will move up slowly. Now this actually highlights the key support areas going down. Now let's identify what could be the resistance areas if we tend to break above the levels of 176 or the previous all-time high. The next resistance is again at $231, okay, so we might just go to 231 in a couple of days after breaking this resistance of 177. But it's up to 177, there are a couple of big resistance. One of the bigger resistance is this level of 133, and then of course the level of 177. These two would be big resistance for us going forward. Now let's quickly plot the Fib ZIA and try to understand if we are overextended or we are going on our track. So let's just plot the Fib ZIA. Now, if we are to consider the Fib ZIA, you would be seeing that when we got this hike above the levels of 134 and we went up to 176, we were actually very much overextended. What do I mean by overextended? The price action actually happens most of the time within this range of the Fib ZIA. If we are anywhere extended either on the top or in the bottom, we are expecting a reversal in the price pattern, and that is what exactly happened with Ethereum Classic as well. Now, the last candle that went into this blue zone was a great buying opportunity. So we made a low of $91, and that was actually a great buying opportunity because we corrected by close to 50%. Now, whether we should be buying now or not, I think we have a pretty big room to grow. So we may consider adding some positions. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. So you need to do your own research. If you're confused about doing your own research, we made a video on how to do your own research. You can click the icon above my head and you can view that video right now. Now, the Fib ZIA is indicating that we are very well on track. What is the RSI saying? Let's take a quick look on the RSI. So on the RSI, what we can see is we had a bounce of these levels of 70 that acted as a support earlier as well. As you can see right here, on the 12th of April, we bounced off the 69 mark, right? And again, what we did was we bounced off again of the 68.9 mark. So that is another good sign for us that Ethereum Classic might be in for a great ride. Now, whether you should be buying it currently or not, I feel one of the reasons to look at, one of the factors to look at is basically the support and the resistance, and obviously the bull flag. If we break above the bull flag, I think I will be adding some positions on Ethereum Classic, but till the time we are inside the bull flag, refrain from adding any positions. Again, as you know, this is not financial advice. You need to do your own research. Now, The next coin that I'm going to talk about is a hidden gem. Now, as we saw in Ethereum Classic that we actually had this parabolic rise and we had a correction after that. But the next coin that we are going to talk about is actually pretty early in its rise. So for example, where Ethereum Classic was back here in April, where we had the first local top and then we had the correction and we were trading at these regions. So the next token that I want to cover today is BTMX. So BTMX is the exchange token for the BitMax exchange. Now what we see in this chart is basically we had a huge rise all the way from these levels of 8 cents all the way up to $3.27. Okay, so how much was that rise? Let's quickly measure that. So this rise was a massive 7,200% in a matter of 54 days. So that's pretty amazing. Now after this rise, we had a correction as well, as you can see here. All the way from $3.27, we corrected down to almost 82 cents. Okay, so that was again a correction of 75%. And if you have been following our videos about altcoins, we believe that there should be a couple of things. One, you should actually have a correction after the steep rise and you should respect the market structure. Now here we have actually respected the market structure by treating these levels of 81 or 80 cents to be a great support. Now we are moving sideways. One of the major things for this chart is the moving average. So let's take a quick look at the 20-day moving average. So the 20-day moving average, as we see here, is actually working as a resistance. We have been trying to break above it right from 16th of April, but we got rejected multiple number of times as well. Now we are very close to the moving average, which is currently at 90 cents and we are trading at around almost 88 cents. Now one of the key things to note in this chart is the first thing would be if we break above the moving average or not. If we are able to break above the moving average, then we'll consider what would be our support and resistance levels. So let's take a quick look on the support and the resistance levels as well. So we'll draw the fib retracement. So after crossing this 20-day moving average, if we are able to break above it, our next resistance will be this $1.39. Okay, so we have been trying to break this level for multiple number of times, but we got rejected. After that, there are multiple resistances all the way up to the major resistance of the all-time high of $3.27. The first thing, we should not get too ahead of ourselves. The first thing that we should be looking at, if we are able to break above this 20-day moving average, if we are able to break above it and treat this as a support, then our next target would be to actually break above this major resistance area of $1.39. Now let's take a quick look on the stochastic RSI and see what is the momentum in this coin. So on the stochastic RSI, if I just zoom into it, we can see that the blue line, as we are speaking, is just about on the same point or has just crossed above the red line. So the red line is at around 50 and the blue line is also at around 50. It was around 51 and by the time I just spoke, it again went down to 50. So this is actually treating this as a resistance. So again, as we see, it's going to 51 and it's coming down to 50 again. So this is the 51 level is acting as a resistance for us. So as we can see, it acted as a resistance here as well. So we need to break above this 51 level for us to actually gain some momentum and break above the 20-day SMA and then the $1.39 resistance levels that we have built right from 4th of April. So from 4th of April, we have been actually looking to break this. Now, if you want to stay updated on these two tokens, make sure you join us on our Telegram channel wherein we post about various altcoins. So you need to join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you would like to see more altcoin videos, do let me know by commenting below in this video what are the altcoins that you want us to prepare a video on. Also, if you like this content, please smash the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed, stay happy, share this video among your network so that they are also able to capitalize on these altcoins and take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.